Unwrapping, homemade. Discover its true flavor. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a cozy and heartwarming phrase that you might have heard quite often, homemade. Whether it's food, crafts, or any other product, this term pops up frequently in everyday conversations. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Homemade is an adjective that describes something made at home, rather than produced in a factory or bought from a store. The term often carries connotations of care, personal touch, and authenticity. When something is homemade, it's generally perceived as being made with extra attention and love. For instance, homemade cookies, homemade gifts, homemade clothing. In all these examples, homemade indicates that these items were crafted in a personal living space, not manufactured on a large scale. Homemade is commonly used when talking about food and crafts. However, its usage is not limited to these areas. Food, homemade, signifies that a meal or a dish is made from scratch, or at least partly prepared at home. This can highlight the freshness and quality of the food, as well as the effort put into making it. For example, I prefer homemade pizza to the store-bought one. She brought homemade cupcakes to the party. Crafts and other items. When homemade is used in the context of crafts or other items, it emphasizes the personal touch and uniqueness of the item. For example, he gifted me a homemade scarf. I decorate my house with homemade artwork. One of the most significant aspects of homemade is its ability to convey a sense of warmth, love, and care. Items that are homemade are often associated with special occasions, family, and friendship. They are valued not just for their material worth but also for the emotional significance they carry. And that brings us to the end of our journey exploring the term homemade. It's a small word, but it carries a lot of weight, warmth, and value. Homemade items reflect the time, effort, and love someone has put into creating something unique and special. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this wonderful term. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy learning.